Welcome to SL English. I am Smilata, GM's High School, Apipeta. Okay. If you like my videos, today we are going to learn the lesson Clever Tenali Ramakrishna. See the lesson. Chitravarma was the most famous painter in Krishnadevaraya's court. The emperor was pleased with Chitravarma's paintings. People also liked his paintings. One day Chitravarma was busy in painting. Then Emperor Sri Krishnadevaraya happened to visit him. Who is Chitravarma? Chitravarma is the most famous painter. Where is he? He is in Krishnadevaraya's court. Who was the emperor? The emperor was Krishnadevaraya, Sri Krishnadevaraya. Who was pleased with Chitravarma's paintings? The emperor was pleased with Chitravarma's paintings. Who liked the paintings? People also liked his paintings. Who was busy in painting? Chitravarma. Who came to see Chitravarma? Krishnadevaraya. The emperor Krishnadevaraya came to visit Chitravarma. Okay.
I am Chitravarma. I am Sri Krishnadevaraya.
Courtiers.
I am Ramakrishna. Welcome your magician. Oh, what a beautiful picture. It looks so natural. Yes, your majesty, it is wonderful. No painter and art can compete with you. Chitravarma, you are a unique painter. You shall be rewarded. What do you say, Ramakrishna? As my lord such an artist is, you are improvement. Sri Krishnadevaraya, that's great. Let him ask for anything. He shall get whatever he wants. Thank you very much, your majesty. It's all your executive and department. Your friendship in the council of advisors will be a good fit to the Vijayanagar Empire. I have not your majesty. Your blessings are worth the strength of 1,000 fans. No, a great painter like you should be rewarded in his 50 fans. Your highest in their school. Thinking for his boy in his latter his mother. He will be made chief advisor from today onwards. What I cannot understand who I am blessing. Your majesty. Excuse me, your majesty. He is talented in painting. But would it be a right decision to make him the emperor of Vijayanagar knows what is like? Minister, please make an announcement that Chitravarma will be the chief advisor hereafter in your court. Minister, yes, your majesty, I will make an announcement in your empire. But Chitravarma plan has actions like constitution everywhere. He had never handled the matters of water before. The decision with amendment has constant legal sense. With this, the people were expect that the empire wanted to support him. The leaders of the empire decided to seek help from the parties suggested Tenali Ramakrishna in this matter. Tenali Ramakrishna told them that he had an idea and assured them not to worry. One day, Tenali Ramakrishna approached the empire. I will make an announcement in your empire. But Chitravarma's plans and actions. As your majesty, I will make an announcement in our empire. Ramakrishna, your majesty, you know that I have been blessed with a very word. I will be happy if you visit my house for my boy's wedding ceremony tomorrow. Oh, wonderful! It's my pleasure, Ramakrishna. The emperor visit Ramakrishna's house on the next day. Welcome, your majesty. We are grateful to your visit. Please bless my son. Dirga Ishman Baba, this is token of my love. The emperor could say gold chain around the baby's neck. Thank you very much, your majesty. You are requested to join us for lunch. Oh, what important! Give me water! here, let's introduce the cook to you. Bring him at once for you will be punished. This is the best carpenter in Vijayanagar. He is brilliant worker. I gave him the task of cooking for today. Are you crazy, Ramakrishna? He may be an excellent carpenter. How can be good? Pardon me, Your Majesty. If a painter can be your chief advisor, why can a carpenter not be a cook? You opened my eyes. You made a relieve my mistake.
I was afraid to so know. Your Majesty, I am very thankful to you. If I am sent back to my previous job.
Minister made necessary arrangements to send him back. Thank you very much, Your Majesty. All the people assembled their hail Tenali Ramakrishna for his presence of mind.
I am Chitravarma. My name is Karthik Sai.
I am Sri Krishna Devaraya. My name is Rashmita. I am Ramakrishna. My name is Satvika. I am Minister. I am Minister. My name is Anushka. Daughters. My name is Yamini Vasudha. We are all 6th class students.
By seeing Chitravarma's painting, he wanted to reward him by appointing him as chief advisor. People who became impatient with his irrelevant decisions, they went to Ramakrishna for the help. Ramakrishna arranged the naming ceremony for his son. He arranged a carpenter for cooking food. All get angry with the food because it was spicy. Then he presented the carpenter and said he was the famous carpenter. The emperor asked him how could he be a cook when he was famous carpenter, by telling that he made him open his eyes and realize his mistake. Chitravarma also wanted to send him back. In this way he was sent back by the emperor. He solved the problem with his mind. Okay, I think you understood the lesson. If you don't understand, see again the video. Okay, today it is enough. Bye for now. By seeing Chitravarma's painting, he wanted to reward him by appointing him as chief advisor. People who became impatient with his irrelevant decisions, they went to Ramakrishna for the help. Ramakrishna arranged the naming ceremony for his son. He arranged a carpenter for cooking food. All get angry with the food because it was spicy. Then he presented the carpenter and said he was the famous carpenter. The emperor asked him how could he be a cook when he was famous carpenter, by telling that he made him open his eyes and realize his mistake. Chitravarma also wanted to send him back. In this way he was sent back by the emperor. He solved the problem with his mind. Okay, I think you understood the lesson. If you don't understand, see again the video. Okay, today it is enough. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.